have seen too many business owners driving their business through Excel sheets. Numbers say many things. However, it does not say it all. On the other extreme, I have seen businesses who are not using data at all. If they're not using data at all, there could be three situations. A, there is data which is not being interpreted. B, there is data, however it is incomplete and therefore not being used. And third, data is not finding importance in managing people, in managing the business. On the other hand, the latest fad, if I may say so, or latest influence in our lives, AI, machine learning, is about data. What is AI doing? AI is looking at data which exists and responding to the queries that we type in, either a ChatGPT, Claude, or any form of AI. So that is a data-based response to our prompts. And this is here where we are not even looking at data the way we should. The point that I want to make is Excel data gives us the outcomes of business. What it does not give is the emotion and motivations behind those outcomes. Quantitative data is used for proving a hypothesis or a point. Qualitative data is about unearthing feelings, motivations, and experiences. It is extremely important that in leadership roles, we must combine quantitative data with qualitative feel, as I call it, while managing people, while managing business, and of course, while managing customers. The point is, quantitative data comes in a very structured manner and therefore takes much lesser time to analyze and interpret. Qualitative data does not come in a structured format. If it comes in a structured format, it defeats the purpose. It comes in an unstructured format, and therefore one has to invest time to read between the lines, to understand what is not being said, and to unearth the bottommost emotion, the deep-lying sensitivities and sensibilities to understand people. The point is, do we have the time to do that? We are very busy with so many things. But believe me, this busyness of understanding people, whether it's employees, seniors, customers, is invaluable. It is important that if we are not finding time to understand people qualitatively, we find that time. Otherwise, the busyness that is preventing us from understanding people through sentiments is actually a busyness which does not give us business.